Hey, hi, hello, what is up everyone? It is me, Linnea, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, my name is indeed Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes, all while living in the suburbs. So if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, thank you for being here anyways. Today we're doing a bit of a fun recipe because it is Thanksgiving week. And we just got back from running a lot of errands and everything right now is super busy outside. We did not intend to be gone very long, but there was a lot of traffic. There was a lot of crowds. So we were gone for what felt like forever. And this video, I've decided that I'm gonna do a fun dip. It's something you can make for Thanksgiving. It's something you can make for the holidays. It's something you can make for Christmas or a party, anything like that. So it should be really easy. It should be really quick. There's not very many ingredients. There's not very much prep. So let's just go make this dip and see if it's any good. It should be. It should be. But let's go see if it's any good. Let's go. Okay, here I have a pound of breakfast sausage. I'm browning it. About halfway through, I'm going to add a half cup of cut up yellow onion, and we'll let that cook, and then we'll be back with the following ingredients. All right, now I've got my onion, and I'm just going to let this cook until the onions are translucent and the sausage is fully cooked. Okay, I drained this for the most part, and now I'm going to add in 1 pound or 16 ounces of cut up Velveeta, the world's weirdest cheese, not cheese stuff. You also want to make sure that you have your pan on low. I'm not trying to sizzle the crap out of this. I'm also going to add in 1 can of Rotel. You can add, I got the original, also you don't want to drain it. I got the original. They have mild, they have hot, they might have medium. I don't know. I just got the original. So there's that. And then the last thing is just a little bit of black pepper. And I'm just going to carefully kind of mix it in. And like I said, I have my pan on low. I'm going to let it melt. It's going to take just a bit, but it's worth it. Alright, now I'm going to go back to cleaning my fridge out because like I said, it's almost Thanksgiving and I have a lot of stuff in my fridge that doesn't need to be there anymore. Alright, it's genuinely done. I think I'm going to add some chopped up green onion to the top of this, but that's the dip. We'll give it a try here in a little bit, but yeah, that's the dip. It's super easy, not that many ingredients, and if you're having a party or a family get-together, highly suggest it. So we'll be back in a little bit to give it a try. Alright, I'm back. This is a review of the dip. We've already had dinner and I'm not hungry, so I'm not gonna eat it right now. But I can tell you that I really liked it. I thought it was a good play on the classic Rotel Velveeta dip. Jonathan, on the other hand, didn't love it. He said it was a 6 out of 10, but he was really thrown off by the fact that there was breakfast sausage in it. I thought it tasted really good. So if you like breakfast sausage, go for it. I don't know. he was just not the biggest fan. He really likes the very classic Velveeta Rotel dip. He doesn't like usually when there's meat in it. He's just a pure cheese guy. So up to your discretion, I guess, if you want to add meat to it or not. But I thought it was really good. It's a good thing that we have family coming in the next day. I think they'll like it. I'm pretty sure they like breakfast sausage. They like Velveeta and Rotel dip, so I think they'll like it. Don't think it's gonna be an issue with them. But anyway, that's the final review of it. Jonathan and I got into a slight argument over it. Because I honestly was like a little shook that he didn't like it. I thought for sure he would, but you know what? Everybody likes different things, so it is what it is. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. I'm not sure what it's gonna be. I have some ideas, but I'm not sure. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!